So go ahead and open up the graphical calculator file and you'll have this circle here. Now we're going to show all the three trigonometric functions, the sine, the cosine and the tan function, on the one graph here. So you can see the values here are set out at 0, 0 and 1, because we're starting off at an angle of 0. So the tan of 0 is 0, the sine of 0 is 0 and the cos of 0 is a value of 1. So let's just move it round about and we'll see each of them being generated. So you can see all the values for sine, the cosine and the tangent there are changing, and we've got the tangent function heading off here in black, and you've got the cosine function in blue, and you've got the sine function in orange, and then you can see the little dot here rotating round about the circle in an anti-clockwise direction. And if you head off along all the way round the circle to 360 degrees, you'll see that we've got the sine, the cosine and the tan functions all drawn together. And you'd notice here that the cosine function looks very similar to the sine function. So the best thing to do is to open up the file and have a little play with it yourself, so you can move it round about and check and see that you understand where each of the functions come from. Now another thing you could do is you could actually get into the trig functions here and you can have a look and see how they were generated, and you can change some of the values round about as well. So for instance, the value for sine, you can maybe change the sine to sine 2x or 3x, and you can see how these changes actually change the function here. So that's all there is for the sine, the cosine and the tan functions. What we want to be able to do though is answer questions on these functions. So let's go ahead and we'll look at a few examples of using the sine, the cosine and the tan functions.